Weche manyien. Jagoro mongirore migawo mar arita Dr. Rymond Omollo jiwo jokanye sekta mar somo kod oganda kanyakla mondo mi otim hocho kendo chiwo puonj ne rawere maneno ni ok gibayo yo. Dr. Omollo wacho ni kido kod timbe nyithindo osebedo ka kethore kendo kowinjore jopiny odin itgi to ahinya jolony kod josomo manyalo tiego jomatindo. Noloso e skul sekondar Mambita e kaunti ma Homa Bay kamane gitime solro mar dongruok mar skulno. Nyasi no yore gi jogo mane osetieko sombgi e skulno kendo ne gisolo maromo shillings milion 20 mar dongruok mar skulno.
Geoffrey Mheshimiwa from Oyugis. So thank you PS. County has given us a total of 200. We have come here not just as alumni of Mbita. We have come here because we know the benefit of education, and we know that without education, it's very difficult for our society to grow and for our society to progress. And I want to speak to the teachers in a special way, that as a teacher, you hold a very special space in the life of your students. The students are like your sons. Yes, they can have their excesses, they can have their mistakes, but you owe it to them to handle them like your own. And I'm happy, Mr. Principal, that you have been able to register very good results over the last couple of years. And as an alumni and also as an officer working in the administration of President Ruto, we will support you to ensure that we maintain not just the grades, the A's that I've seen, but increase the numbers.
Once again, congratulations for the good work. Let's maintain that spirit. But I would want to urge you on one thing. Be good mentors to your neighbors and colleagues, so that more schools, more of your own colleagues will come here to be supported, so that their schools and their children and their students can also benefit from this particular wealth of knowledge that you have accumulated over a long